Hello, cześć, dzień dobry, dobry wieczór. As I mentioned in my previous video, Sundays are for Rosu. Well, Mondays are for Pomidorova. The steps are quite the same. Watch me transform the chicken broth from Rosu to delicious tomato soup called Pomidorova in Poland. Please see the link for the Rosu above and also in the description below. Here we go. Basically, all you need is sour cream and tomatoes or tomato paste. Here I have tin tomatoes. So, add your tomatoes to the pot and mix well. After that, pour some of the broth into the cream and mix properly. This is very important as it prevents the cream from curdling. You can boil it for 5 minutes and Pomidorova is ready. Pomidorova can be served with rice or noodles. Which team are you? Well, let me know in the comment section. Smacznego!